Ancestry.com is a feature-packed website that provides many resources for genealogical research. This video will provide a virtual tour into some of Ancestry's top services to help you with your family history work. Today we'll cover working with Ancestry trees, individual integration with FamilySearch, searching from within a tree, and a few other search engine tips and tricks. Let's get started. Create a family tree on Ancestry to keep track of all your family history information. Building family trees on Ancestry is free, and you don't need a membership to create trees. Memberships start coming in handy when you reach the end of your knowledge about your family and want to start searching historical records and family trees created by other Ancestry members. With a membership, you can also view Ancestry hints, which are suggestions about possible family members and related records that will appear on your family tree like a little green leaf. When clicking on these hints, you will be directed towards sources that may be related to your person. To find a tree, click the Trees tab in the top left corner of any page on Ancestry and click on the name of a tree. This will open the tree of your choice. Click on the name in the top left corner to see most tree options. Tree Overview allows you to see recent updates to the tree and tree facts, like the numbers of people, photos, and stories. Storymaker Studio is a media hub made for collecting old memories and capturing new ones. Media Gallery allows you to view all media in the tree. The media can be filtered by type: photos, stories, audio, and video. All Hints displays a summary of facts about Ancestry hints, like numbers of types of Ancestry hints in the tree, and allows sorting these hints by type and names. Tree Settings allows you to access your tree privacy and hint preferences, edit the tree name, and change the home person. You can also invite other people from here. Invite in the drop down here is another place where you can invite people. And Family Group Sheet helps you to see a printable outline of facts and relationships for people in your tree. Click View Tree to return to the home view. To move around a tree, put your mouse in a blank space, hold down the mouse button, and move your hand. The tree will move as your hand moves. Along the left side of the screen, you'll see these buttons where you can zoom in or out, change your view to Pedigree View, back to Family View, or use the Layers buttons to turn on and off various options. You can return to the last person viewed by clicking here. To find someone in your tree, click the Tree Search button in the top right corner of the tree. In the panel that appears, start typing the name of someone that you want to view, and then you can click on their name to get more details. You can also return to the home person, see the last viewed person, or see a list of all of the people in your tree. If you have a free Church of Jesus Christ Ancestry membership linked to your FamilySearch account, you should be able to link people, facts, and sources between FamilySearch and Ancestry. For more information on FamilySearch Partner Access, visit www.familysearch.org/campaign/partner access. Go to the profile page of a person in your tree and click the Family Search button. If the person is already linked, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. If the person isn't linked, you'll see a pop-up page with the title, Select Match for the person. On this page, select the name of the person in FamilySearch, which in this case is being chosen by Best Matches. You can also find your match by FamilySearch ID. Choose the correct person. You can compare data to make sure it's correct, and then click Connect Person. From the person's profile page, click the FamilySearch button again and select an action from the drop-down menu. There are 4 types. You've got ordinance details for LDS ordinance information. Compare person on FamilySearch, which enables you to compare information between Ancestry and FamilySearch. View this person on FamilySearch allows you to add the relatives who are not initially imported from FamilySearch. You can add immediate relatives or 4 more generations if no parents are listed for the person. You can also disconnect the person from FamilySearch, which will break the link between FamilySearch and Ancestry for that person. Finding records on Ancestry can help you build your family tree. Fill in your family tree with what you know, and then search Ancestry to find what you don't. When you start a search from within your tree, any facts you've added about the person you search for will be automatically included in your search. In your tree, click on someone that you want to search records for. In the card that appears, click Search. To narrow your search results, you can choose Filters from the left. You can change the time and the place that it has entered in to more specific. And you can edit your search from here. In the search results on the right, choose a record you'd like to view. If it's a match, you'll want to save this to your tree. Be sure to look at the original record whenever possible, as you will find additional information here that may not be on the extracted record. Once you decide to save this, click Save and the name of the person you want to save the record to, and then you will see the information on the left side from this record with information from your tree appearing on the right. If a fact in the record differs from that same fact in your tree, it will say Different. If a fact in the record isn't already in your tree, it will say New. Check the boxes next to the facts that you want added to your tree. And so forth. If the record contains the names of other family members as well, those names should appear further down the page. To add someone new to your tree who appeared in the record, check the Add box next to their name. Then at the end, click Save to your tree. Note that you can choose to check or uncheck to cite this source for each fact that you are adding. That will connect the source to your tree. Here are a few search tips to help you. One suggestion is to change how broad or narrow your search is. If you are getting way too many results, try making your search a little bit more specific. Then click Apply, and you'll notice that these numbers have gone down significantly. You can also narrow your search by date. For instance, now I only have 2 options. Or by location. Any of these can help you filter your results, so you don't have quite so much to go through. You can also try searching with both more or less information. You can add or remove different facts out of your search, and then search again. All of these things will help you as you're looking for your information. Be sure to search for the right records for the right time of life. For example, if you're looking for someone's parents, try narrowing your search to a decade or so after the person's birth. Don't include information about that person's spouse or children, but do include information about their siblings. Search for female ancestors using only their maiden names early in life and only their married names after they married, if they married. You can get search results that include spelling mistakes and different spellings. Sometimes names are spelled incorrectly on censuses, and sometimes handwriting can be difficult to read. So you can try searching with different wildcards. For example, instead of exact, you could do sounds like or initials to change what results you get. I hope you enjoyed today's overview of some of Ancestry's top services: working with Ancestry trees, individual integration with FamilySearch, searching from within a tree, and a few other search engine tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I hope you have fun creating family trees and searching the records to see what new genealogical gems you can find with Ancestry.com.